Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games that crash when loading a save. Let's begin. I want you to go to your Steam client, go to library, and select that specific game that you are having crashes with. Let's just say any game out there. Right click. I'm just going to use this as an example. Cure, right click, properties, install files, then verify integrity. Click on that. Steam will now scan your entire game files for this particular game and see if everything is installed correctly. But if not, it will actually show a message that it was not correctly installed and they will reacquire any missing files. Then Steam will show in here or they will automatically download those files. Once done, you can restart Steam, go back and try to launch the game. And in your gameplay, you should no longer have those issues. And that's it. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.